Are you looking to shed a few pounds, lose belly fat, and feel better in your body, all in just 21 days? The Smoothie Diet 21-day weight loss plan could be exactly what you're looking for. This simple step-by-step program is designed to help you burn fat, reduce bloating, and reboot your body by replacing 2 meals a day with nutrient-rich smoothies. It's not a fad or a juice cleanse. It's a well-structured, nutritious eating plan that uses whole foods to support real, sustainable results. So what's inside the plan? Well, each day you'll enjoy 2 delicious smoothies, 1 solid healthy meal, and a small snack. This creates a natural calorie deficit without feeling restricted, or you experiencing any hunger pains. The plan provides you with a complete schedule, shopping lists, prep guides, and over 36 smoothie recipes, so you're never left guessing what to eat. What makes this plan especially popular is how well it fits into busy lifestyles for both men and women. Whether you're juggling work, kids, or just trying to stay consistent with your health goals, smoothies are a quick, no-fuss option that you can take on the go. Let's take a look at a few standout smoothie recipes included in the 21-day program. First up is the Spinach Avocado Energizer, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber to fuel your mornings and keep hunger in check. Next is the Berry Detox Blend, full of antioxidants and natural fiber to support digestion and give your skin a healthy glow. And then there's the Chocolate Nut Smoothie, a rich, satisfying blend of cocoa, peanut butter, and Greek yogurt that's perfect for a mid-afternoon boost or post-workout recovery. One of the key reasons people see results with this plan is because it simplifies nutrition. When you follow a clear framework and fuel your body with real ingredients, your cravings drop, your energy goes up, and the scale often starts to move in the right direction. We've seen reports from users who've lost anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds in 21 days. And more importantly, many say they feel lighter, less bloated, and more motivated to continue eating well after the program ends. Although the smoothie diet is suitable for anyone, it has proven especially effective for women aged 24 to 35 who are looking for a convenient, non-restrictive way to kickstart fat loss and regain control over their eating habits. This isn't about starving yourself or living off liquids forever. It's about giving your body a break from processed foods and nourishing it with ingredients that support weight loss, digestion, and overall nutritional wellness. If you're ready to take the next step, click the link in the description to kickstart your 21-day fat loss reset. You'll discover 36 fat-burning smoothie recipes, full weekly meal guides, shopping lists, and everything you need to reset your habits and see real results. And if you've found value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel for more healthy lifestyle tips and weight loss solutions.